Hey again everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things security. I am your legendary host, John the Iceman Doe. Today I am going to break down some of the most common online threats and scams that you should be aware of and how to avoid them. Online threats and scams are attempts by cybercriminals to trick you into giving up your personal or financial information, or to infect your device with malware. They can come in many forms, such as emails, websites, social media posts, phone calls, or text messages. Some of the most common online threats and scams are phishing. This is when cybercriminals send you an email that looks like it's from a legitimate source, such as your bank, online store, or social network. They try to get you to click on a link or an attachment that leads to a fake website or downloads malware on your device. They may also ask you to enter your username, password, credit card number, or other sensitive information. Ransomware. This is a type of malware that encrypts your files and demands a ransom for their decryption. Cybercriminals may infect your device with ransomware through phishing emails, malicious downloads, or compromised websites. Data breaches and password theft. This is when cybercriminals hack into a website or a database and steal the personal or financial information of its users. They may use this information to access your accounts, make fraudulent purchases, or sell it on the dark web. Social media scams. These are scams that use social media platforms to lure you into clicking on malicious links, downloading malware, or giving up your personal or financial information. Some examples are fake giveaways, quizzes, surveys, friend requests, or messages. Banking fraud. This is when cybercriminals use various methods to access your bank account or credit card and make unauthorized transactions. They may use phishing emails, fake websites, phone calls, text messages, or malware to trick you into revealing your account details or security codes. Privacy violations. This is when cybercriminals collect your personal information from various sources and use it for malicious purposes. They may use your information to impersonate you, blackmail you, spam you, or target you with ads. So how can you protect yourself from these online threats and scams? Here are some tips. Use strong and unique passwords for each of your accounts and change them regularly. You can also use a password manager to store and generate passwords for you. Use two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts by requiring a code or a device confirmation in addition to your password. Be careful about what you click on or download. Don't open attachments or links from unknown or suspicious sources. Check the sender's email address, the website's URL, and the spelling and grammar of the message before clicking. Use antivirus software and keep it updated. Antivirus software can help detect and remove malware from your device and prevent future infections. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for sensitive activities. Public Wi-Fi networks are often insecure and can expose your data to hackers. Use a VPN, virtual private network, to encrypt your online traffic and protect your privacy. Review your online accounts and bank statements regularly. Check for any suspicious activity or transactions and report them immediately. Educate yourself about the latest online threats and scams. Stay informed about the current trends and techniques used by cybercriminals and learn how to spot and avoid them. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and stay safe online. This is all possible thanks to viewers like you. Help me by getting my name out there. You know the one. John D.O.E.